Hi guys, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the most affordable lenses that you need, or if you're just starting out and you want these lenses, I totally recommend them. They're so affordable and they work incredible for the price. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so the first one is the Yongnuo 35 2.0 lens. It looks like this. This lens is my only 35 that I have, and every 35 that I've shot with it is usually like wider landscape shots, or I just want a distorted portrait. This is a great substitute for the Sigma 35, which is pretty expensive but amazing. It's incredible quality. It does have a hard time focusing, so that's the only thing that I don't like. It's just very noisy when it focuses. And then there's some vignetting on it, but you can fix that in you can fix that in post-processing. This is what I use for families and for portrait. I bought it used, so I'm not sure what I actually bought it for, but I'll have the price listed, the retail price listed on the screen somewhere. Great lens, definitely recommend it, especially if you're just starting out. The next lens is the Canon 50 1.8, also known as the Nifty 50. Looks like this. This is what I first started out on. I believe this retails for $125, but I'll put the listed price somewhere on the screen. This is the first lens that I bought. I don't know if I can find any portraits that I took with this because they were all on my computer and I had to clean out my computer, but if I can find some, I'll put them on the screen. If not, don't discount it just because it's affordable and just because I can't find any images. Please consider getting this. This is amazing. One of the best lenses you can start out with. Highly recommend it. I mean, 100% recommend this. It's incredible. And the last lens that I'm going to be talking about is the Yongnuo 50mm. Now, I don't personally own this lens, but it is very affordable. And I believe it is actually cheaper than the Canon 50 that I just mentioned. So I'll put the price on the screen of what it actually costs, but I'm like 95% positive that it's more affordable than the Canon. I believe there is some vignetting on it as well as the 35 like I mentioned earlier, but I just don't see how you can go wrong with it, especially when it's so affordable. Also, if you don't have a Canon, this would be a great option if you want an affordable lens. I'm not sure what Nikon or Sony offers. I haven't really looked into that, so if you have a Nikon or a Sony or something, this would be a great option. Those are all my lenses. Make sure to subscribe for more photography related videos and hit the bell to turn on the notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!